Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I just got in a parcel from Eaten Secret. So I'm gonna unbox it and show it to you guys as well. So let's see. It's wrapped in beautiful gold paper. Very nice, I love it. This is a gift, you know, I didn't order this one. It's a gift. This is Soy Wax Melt, the one she made on her channel recently. That looks like a chocolate bar. I love it. This is another present. Sample. Lime and coconut bath bomb. Oh, wow. It's an artwork. She's painting with mica. She's painting. She shows it on her channel. So next is the rosebud cupcake. Look how beautiful this is. Check out her piping. Nobody pipes like Karen, that's for sure. Can you see? Then we have body butter, or she calls it a massage bar. It's a solid body cream or butter, so you hold it in your hands and then it melts in contact with the skin and you can just rub it on your skin. It's fantastic. Then the soaps. The soaps are just fantastic. I mean, check out how chunky this is. Check out the labels. I mean, she makes all the labels herself. She has the machine, she foils it, and check out the top. I mean, seriously. You see how beautiful this is? And then I have 3 of the strawberry Daiquiri. I don't know exactly how you pronounce it, but what I know is that they smell fantastic. I mean, those bars are pretty heavy, like you can kill someone with it. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at that packaging. It's just like, these are slices of heaven. I'm gonna take a shower right away, I can tell you that. So that's it. Thank you very much, Karen. I'm gonna enjoy my goodies right now. Thanks for watching and see you soon.